Greetings and welcome to this Brightline Construction update. In this video you will see the progress being made in the I95 Highway 528 construction zone over the past year. The second tunnel under Highway 528 is well underway. Once complete, the highway will be built over it. The I95 overpass and the earthworks between it and the Pine Street overpass are also featured. Our look back starts on May 20th of 2020. A lot of work had already been done by this point. The earthworks for the ramp over I95 and the future tunnel are also well underway. The tunnel is constructed of many concrete panels that are cast on site and stored there. The tunnel is built a panel at a time. Each panel is hung by the crane and manually moved into position. Very labor intensive, and only 4 or 5 panels can be done in a day. Because the tunnel is curved, there are inside panels and outside panels. The panels are staggered from the inside to the outside, and you'll notice that the first panel that you can see is only a half panel in order to achieve that staggered approach. Well, that concludes our look at the I95 overpass area and the West Cocoa Tunnel, the panel tunnel, and its construction. I've also got a lot of footage of the East Tunnel, or the box tunnel construction. So if you like this and you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.